Alright, my people, now welcome back to Prince TV Stand Show. Una know how this edition take dey be say as we take see the matter so, now so we take the table lamp, una go see how it take dey play. You know say most times we go still dey complain say the Nigerian government they no dey care about people when they for the diaspora side. Yeah, when I see this video now I know say yes, these people they be get us for mind. Just that sometimes they go dey operate in a way where be like say nobody go fit understand. One man don't call out chain come out say as it be so say he gets some Nigerians, about 300 Nigerians when be like say they dey under Italian custody for prison for no reason of a kind of like what they commit, you understand, for no offense. For no offense, they not give them trial, make them know how I want to be. Guy, when I watch the video now, I still say, now they come up because if this our leaders, what be like say they dey for the Bongo side, they kind of like still they give heat to all these European country like Germany when they deport every minute, most especially Nigerians when they deport every time. If to say maybe the government of Nigeria they kind of like they give the headache, they go really know say yes, they go know how they take they arrange that things. Guy, when I watch this video now, I see say I sort of like say they still come out, make the come still give their own point because now you really get some people be like say they dey for jail for this Italian side without committing any offense, just because of one or two things, arrest with other people. So now so it dey happen. For those of now when we never see this man when come the court channel like this, wanna watch am, wanna see how it happen.
Just call Barrister Bello. Legal.
Osaze Ozenwige Ero is a former commissioner for arts, culture, tourism and diaspora affairs in Edo State. According to him, in 2019, he was arrested at the airport while boarding a connecting flight from Amsterdam to Germany to meet with the Nigerian ambassador to Germany at the time, Yusuf Tuga, on the Benin Artifact Restitution campaign. He was charged with being a member of what the Italian prosecutors called the Nigerian Mafia.
I went through the trial, 18 months, complete full trial, and I was released because the charges were not proven. The allegations were not proven. If I do not create this awareness, these innocent Nigerians who do not have a voice will be languishing in prison for crime they did not commit.
Article 416 bis of the Italian Criminal Code outlines what a mafia-type organization is and the punishments for perpetrators of these kinds of crimes. The complainant claims that Nigerians are racially profiled by the Italian authorities and using this article imprisoned with no actual evidence of any crime committed. He wants NIDCOM to come to the aid of over 300 Nigerians allegedly imprisoned in Italy who may be paying for crimes they did not commit.
If there are so many Nigerians in Italian prisons languishing for years for an offense that they told you, are you interacted with them that did not commit, we can't just watch and see that happen.
Parts of the accusations brought by the complainant include that he was not supported by the Nigerian government even though he was arrested while on official duty. His lawyer gets emotional at the meeting and had to be addressed on some uncomplimentary comments he made.
You are proud of what you are, the proud of your country. And don't you dare come to jump down on your country. Is that the problem? It's going to solve the problem. I will solve it for your letter is British. If I'm British, don't jump down on your country.
A protest on this matter is planned to hold at the Italian embassies in Nigeria and England in the coming weeks. Kayla Megwa.
Una dey say na people abi, so na so it be. Now see say ma still cover the issue. Mona see how all those leaders still they think about the Nigerians when they for the Italian side, because on a very good day, like I stated before, it's not supposed to be like that. You get some people when they for prison when be like say they not commit any crime, they not commit anything, but based on bad friends, we be like say that they follow, at the end of the day, the arrest go join together. And then now, about this 300 person trials, they don't give them many things where they will like say they stop, they for prison for no any reason, for no giving any kind of like a competent reason why these people go deal, or in the name of a mafia or no mafia. You don't think we'll be they hear this story last, you know, say we they report all this issue, how things they play for the Italian side, Nigerians will be like say anything will happen, we go let una know how it they be. But since all this why everywhere they can come out, you don't get anybody when they do all those kind of matter, but we don't know why Italian government constantly they kind of like they try to detain people without giving them trial to know if they go free them or not. So now I make this man call out China, so say the coming weeks they go see how they go take go for the matter. So anyhow way they play we go still update una and let una know how the matter go take end. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to the next article. We'll see how it happen.
Prince TV.
This video when I want watch, now one lady will be like say, and something will be like say the thing surprised me. Now then you go know say African leaders they are above the law. African leaders they are above the traffic lights. Will be like say they stand. Now then by themselves put the traffic, but they go disobey the traffic. Now then you go tell no say these people like they feel say they be super. For the European side, you don't go see anybody will be like say whether na the prime minister or whether na the foreign minister or any of the government official be like say e go come out, you go see convoy, they waka, they go see traffic, they go beat am or one or two reasons, all those kind of stuff. Like you know go ever listen. Even the prime minister of Italy, where they call Mario Draghi, you it and go fit dey the same supermarket. If you not look and well say this one na the prime minister of Italy, you no go ever know. But our own case, it not be like that. President go come out, he go cover everywhere. Anywhere that they go they carry different kind of like convoy. As if saying that them be the owner of the life. God when create the life give us. Jesus Christ will be like say, nine die for us. He never one day come they do all those odunga. But all these our leaders, they're going to use their self, they're going to use their own to they intimidate people will be like say that they for the country. All those kind of things, it not make sense. If I show you this video, will be like say this lady come miss her flight, or in the name of a boo-boo, put the picture of me with the sound, I be this man that they see for years, so on a president, he make this lady go miss the flight, will be like say it already booked time. Will be like say this lady, he go 3 hours interval so that he go fit meet up, but at the end of the day, boo-boo can disappoint him, or in the name of traffic, say Buhari they come, they need to wait, make him pass first. Guy, when I see and the thing make me vex. For those of you when we never see this lady wait for the yarn this matter now so like this. When I watch her, when I see her it happen.
Hi guys, good morning. This is me very upset, like very upset. I have to get upset because it affects me mentally, physically, and also my spiritual growth. I'm so blessed with so much joy and happiness that is even infectious. I bless God for that. This is me who just missed my flight, not because I was late to the airport. I was even 3 hours earlier because I had to pick up something from someone who was traveling. I was stuck in a roadblock for an hour, 20 minutes. Why? Because the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria was passing, so all roads were blocked. Stand still. I was in the car for an hour, 20 minutes. How? Why? What is going on? It's crazy.
On a decision on a president abi. So na so the matter be. Now since me let una know say na African leaders be people will be like say they above the law. The law where they place, they no go obey them. Like I stated before, you no go see all these kind of things say they happen for a European side. The prime minister, you it and go the waka, you it and go there for inside the same bus self. You no go ever know. They know they show themselves. Europe, you no go know who rich, you no go know who poor. They all live normal life. But now Nigeria as that country in particular, now that place you will know say you get person when poor, now there you go know say you get some when rich. All these big men, they go they use their money to oppress people. So all those kind of things, it don't make sense. This lady missed the flight now. Nobody go give her money to buy another ticket. Nobody go compensate her for anything. All in the name of say president they pass. Guy, that country, as it really be, they need to divide. Alright, so now so the matter be. Better put the Okoro picture here. Put the Okoro where be the president. You still put the woman picture more the George Mataso Okoro as we tell you now so. This woman also he go miss flight just because of you. Say you the waka they come. Everybody hold up. Make the president pass. All those kind of things. Now when they watch, una go judge this our president when they here because we not just see the function when they bring come out every day. Since they was for that country, you not get any development. You know, so most of them now they say, why not they talk what they happen for Bongo? Just that if you start to they talk what they happen for them, you know they finish. That is why you know go fit start what you know if you finish. You understand? But if you relate, where be like say the thing come too much, we go still bring them to board. Where be like say it relates to Italian content, then we go attach them together. So I beg, What una get to tell this our Okoro when they here so because he don't tell us now say na be a equipment. In Peking don't make a wedding that yesterday as it be there cover everywhere. Now private jet, no let that ones we they see. Ordinary citizens will not see them for the wedding. May you know say Nigeria, it not be your own. We just they bear the name. We'll go straight to another news, Jare.
Yeah.